The mineral kingdom is vast and diverse, with over 4,000 known minerals and new ones being discovered every year. Within this kingdom, crystals and stones hold a special place due to their unique properties and metaphysical characteristics. Crystals and stones have been revered by many cultures throughout history, from ancient civilizations to modern day spiritual practices. In this chapter, we will explore the basics of crystals, stones, and the mineral kingdom. We will dive into the science behind these beautiful formations and explore the different ways they are used for healing and spiritual practices. What are crystals and stones? Crystals and stones are a form of mineral, which is a naturally occurring substance that is solid and inorganic. Minerals are formed through geological processes, such as cooling and solidification of magma or precipitation from water. Crystals and stones are unique because they have a repeating pattern of atoms and molecules that create their distinctive shape and structure. Crystals are known for their symmetry, clarity, and ability to transmit and reflect light. They come in a variety of shapes, colors, and sizes and are often used for healing, meditation, and spiritual practices. Stones, on the other hand, are a broader term that encompasses all types of rocks and minerals, including crystals. Stones are often used for their grounding properties and their ability to connect us with the earth. The science of crystals and stones. The science behind crystals and stones is fascinating. Each crystal or stone has a specific atomic and molecular structure, which gives it its unique properties. For example, quartz crystals are made up of silicon dioxide molecules arranged in a hexagonal lattice structure. This structure gives quartz its ability to vibrate at a specific frequency and is why it is often used in watches and other timekeeping devices. The properties of crystals and stones can be studied using various scientific methods, such as X-ray diffraction, spectroscopy, and microscopy. Scientists can use these methods to identify the composition and structure of a crystal or stone, as well as its optical and electrical properties. Metaphysical properties of crystals and stones. In addition to their scientific properties, crystals and stones are also known for their metaphysical properties. These properties are based on the belief that crystals and stones have energy and can affect our own energy fields. Many people use crystals and stones for healing, meditation, and spiritual practices. Each crystal and stone has its own unique energy and can be used for different purposes. For example, amethyst is often used for spiritual growth and meditation, while rose quartz is used for emotional healing and self-love. Some crystals and stones are also said to have protective properties, such as black tourmaline and smoky quartz. Using crystals and stones for healing and spiritual practices. Crystals and stones are used in a variety of ways for healing and spiritual practices. One of the most common ways is through meditation and visualization. By holding or placing a crystal or stone on the body during meditation, it is believed that the energy of the crystal can help to balance and harmonize our own energy fields. Crystals and stones can also be used for chakra healing, where specific stones are placed on each of the body's 7 chakras to help balance and clear any blockages. Another popular method is using crystal grids, where crystals are arranged in specific patterns to create a powerful energy field for healing and manifestation. Conclusion. Crystals, stones, and the mineral kingdom are fascinating subjects that have been studied and revered by many cultures throughout history. From their unique scientific properties to their metaphysical characteristics, crystals and stones continue to intrigue and inspire people today. In the next chapters, we will explore specific crystals and stones and how they can be used for healing and spiritual practices.